Hello guys, welcome back to Raise Art and Tech Productions. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download Minecraft and play it using Java. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's the one thing about text. If you want me to put a link to all of my tutorials since I use text, I will put a link to it inside the description. Just tell me if you want it and I will put it in there. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll go to it. Now there you go. So this is the first thing you have to do. You install Linux Beta. So you need to have Linux Beta to do any of this because you're not going to be able to do anything without the Linux terminal. So you go inside of here. You'll see Linux. And for you guys, if you don't have Linux already installed, it'll show turn on. But for me, it'll show this. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into the terminal. So now it's the time where we got to install Java. If you don't install Java, you can't run any jar file. Now it's different with Ubuntu and Linux Mint because since you already have OpenJDK or Java runtime environment in Ubuntu and Linux Mint, you don't have to download any of this, but you don't need to watch this video if you already have Ubuntu, so just know that. So once this loads up, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to install Java, and this shouldn't take long at all. The reason why this looks like this for me is because I'm using the beta channel. I advise you use the beta channel because you get the updates before anybody on the stable channel or the unstable channel does. So I advise you to use this. And this is this is not a sponsor or anything. So I advise you to use this. Nobody's telling me to say this. I'm telling you to say this. So once this loads up, I will go ahead and show you how to. I'm not doing any cutting because I don't want you guys to think that I'm doing something that's different than what I'm showing you guys and it isn't messing up. So now what you need to do is you need to do sudo apt get update. Oh wait, okay, here's one thing. On here, you if you want to, you can change this the sudo to uncapitalized. I don't know why I put it like that, but you do sudo apt get update. And here's the one thing: you never put sudo capitalized. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, just make sure you never put sudo capitalized inside the Linux terminal. If you do, it's going to show the same thing: bash sudo command not found. So once you get there, it'll be done, and then you're going to go ahead and start download OpenJDK. And one thing I'm gonna tell you is OpenJDK when you download it, it comes with Java runtime environment. So don't go and try to download Java runtime environment on your own. You're just gonna download another Java runtime environment, and that's gonna be a waste of space. So once you download OpenJDK, it's gonna download Java runtime for you. So once you download it, then it'll for me, I already have it. So for you, it'll show a whole bunch of stuff, and then it'll ask you if you want to download it. I think it's around 800 to 500 megabytes. So just remember that you need to have around 2 to 3, actually no, like 1 to 2 gigabytes to do all of this, and you'll be ready. So when it shows this part right here, OpenJDK is already the newest version, then actually it won't show that for you because you're downloading it. But once you put in Java, once you put in this Java version, oh wait, no, I put that in wrong. Java, I can't spell Java version. Once you do this, you can check if you have have Java downloaded. It'll show this. If you don't have Java downloaded, it won't show anything. It'll just say an error because you don't have Java downloaded. Now we're gonna get to the part where we download Minecraft. So there's this site named Tlauncher that basically gives you Minecraft for free. the full Minecraft, no demos or anything. Because if you want to leave the demo, you can just download Minecraft from the Minecraft site. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the site. You need to go to this site and only this site. If you go to any other site, you might get a bug or there might be a glitch in the app. You want to use this one. Don't go to the launcher for Minecraft, or do not do launcher for smartphones PE, because if you do one of those, it's not going to show the same thing as it's not going to ask you if you want to download Windows, Mac, or Linux. So you need to download TL. Then you want to press Linux, and it's going to give you this file right here, the zip. When you see the zip, don't get all like, don't get mad or don't get scared that this is not going to work. You need to extract the zip file first, and it'll give you a jar file, and you can run jar files with Java. So you go to downloads, and I've did this before, so you just go ahead, you extract it, and it'll show that blue icon. And once you get there, all you need to do is just move this into your Linux files, but I already have it in mind, so I'm not going to do that. And once you get there, it'll do this. What I advise you to do is change the name of it, and then what it'll show you, well, it won't show you anything. I don't know what I'm talking about, but then you'll be able to type it inside of the terminal faster, or just faster and easier. You don't have to download a whole or type a whole bunch of stuff unless you are like the beast with typing. I advise you to change it, so you just do lowercase Tlauncher, and then you'll be fine. Now what you will do is, since you already have it in there, you need to pay close attention. When I say close attention, I mean close attention. You need to once you move the jar file to the Linux files folder, you need to put in this right. If you don't put this in right, you're gonna mess up. So what you want to do, you want to do no capitals on any of this unless you change the name of the Tlauncher file to something capital. So then once you do that, once you already know what you're doing, you just do Java jar, put the file name. What I advise you to do is just go here so you don't have any errors. Rename. Go here, and then when you see this, okay guys, well, I'm sorry for the mess up. I don't know what was happening with my audio, but yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to guide you around with just my voice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a link to the tutorial inside the description if you need it, and just please subscribe, smash that like button. Please get me to that the sub goal, and I'll see you guys next time. Now, before we end this video, I'm going to tell you now that I'm going to find a new recording software so I don't have to worry about these weird bugs. So just know that I will, by the next video, I will find some. If I don't find anything, I might not make any videos unless it's going to be like a really short video. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.